How to make burgers and fries. First, you need some lettuce, 2 burger buns, sliced onions, some ground beef, any condiments of your choice, some potatoes, any drinks of your choice. You need 1 pot and 1 pan, and you need some salt and pepper. You're also gonna need some sliced cheese. Next, you wanna shape your patties.
This is what the final product should look like.
You wanna turn your stove on and put the pan on the stove. You have to grab a spatula. You put your patty on the stove. You have to season it too, because bland is bad. Make sure to flip your patties, by the way. And then once it's nice and brown, you gotta put the cheese on. And now you have to prepare your buns. You have to put the lettuce on one of the burger buns. Add onions to your buns. Add your condiment to your empty bun, not the one with all the stuff on it. Once your patty is finished, you want to place that on the bun. And then assemble your burger. Now you need a potato and a knife so you can peel the potato. Or you can leave the skin on and then you cut your potato. Then you need a lot of oil and you have to pour it into that pot from earlier. Grab your fries and carefully place them in until golden brown on high heat. Don't place too many or else it's going to overflow. Next, once they're finished, take it out and salt them. Put the fries next to the burger.
Anyone can cook.